KT versus KOO Tigers. Last time we saw these guys, it was epic, and I expect it will be equally, if not more, epic today. I think they get the heal. Now Someday pulls him in. Oh, and he gets 1 for 1. In fact, Someday got that kill. And now KT comes in. A huge apprehend by Someday, and KT all over the KOO Tigers. KT Rolster, GG. Now they get him back out of the fight, got exhausted, couldn't really do anything. Double kill comes in for Curl. They're going to tear apart KT. Game 2 goes to KOO Tigers. But no follow-up there. Oh, never mind. Unstoppable for Someday. Another nice knockup comes in. Big heal for KOO Tigers, and they will chase KT over the moment. KOO Tigers will take a dominating game number 3.
KOO did not need to get back in.
Yet Nocte playing it dangerously. The double kill. Someday a bit late to the party, and I think time's out for him. He's going to try those.